Hello, my name is Mark Gower and I'm Programme Director of Interior Architecture and Design and Product and Furniture and Design. I want to take this opportunity to talk to you a little bit about the two courses. So our students have access to specialist craft, amazing specialist craft workshops. So our students get to think through making and really understand how product, furniture and interiors are constructed and put together. There's a deep understanding of making and materials. One of our unique selling points is we create an authentic learning experience, and that means we replicate exactly what happens in practice. So our students work directly with clients on live project briefs. So recently our interior students worked on the redevelopment of a clubhouse, a golf clubhouse, and also worked with major retail brands such as The Body Shop and Pets at Home. What's great about having the two courses and running the two courses is that I get the opportunity once again to replicate what happens in practice and get them working together like they would do in industry. So we recently had a project where Pond Meadow School, which is a special needs school, came to us and asked for us to look at proposals for their reception area, their entrance and the lobby area. So we put interior students and product and furniture students together in groups, into really small groups, to come up with proposals. So they worked together on concepts and then they went away in their subject areas to develop those concepts. So interior students looked at the flow and movement and the structure, development of the structure within the space, whereas product students looked at interfaces and touch points within that space that were then housed within the structure, but both working towards the same concept. And then they went back into the school and they presented to the students and to staff at the school, and it was quite emotional actually, because the school is great. So it was a really amazing and emotional project. We really believe in this idea of cross-disciplinary practice, but what we don't want to do is just, we want to replicate what happens in practice. So our students work together, but within their subject areas. So we recently had a project, we had a structure project, which involved creating a structure that would display illustration work. And our interior students worked really closely with textile students and also printmaking students. So they got the opportunity to work with textiles technicians, understanding how to weave and to hem textiles, and also printmaking. So they got to actually screen print on a project as well. So when we get a live project in, actually we work really closely with other departments, which is really important. Again, we run a similar theme with both courses, that the idea of rehabilitate and reuse. So as interior architecture, we deal with the existing city and we adapt it. So we're not architects, so we don't build new buildings, we adapt existing buildings. And we take that same approach with product and furniture design. So what we're dealing with is existing objects, and can we rehabilitate and reuse those existing objects? So for example, we might take a drum of a washing machine and turn it into a coffee table, or to give it a new use, or an oil drum. Can that become something else? Can we stop putting things into landfills? So at the heart of the two courses is sustainability. Another unique selling point of ours is our design consultancy partnerships. We have 3 partnerships with 3 different agencies, all coming at a different approach to the subject area. And our students get the opportunity to work not just in our studios, but within their studios as well. So at the end, our third years, before they graduate, they all get an interview. And also what's great about this partnership that we have with 2OK is that we just recently introduced a mentoring system. So our third years get a mentor within at 2LK, and they get to meet that mentor once a month. We also hold a series of public lectures, so we hold 3 lectures a term. So the first is always a graduate. So we're one of the most, interiors are one of the most established courses in the country, and we bring in graduates from interiors and product and furniture to come in and give the first talk of the term. So it's really good to expose our students to a wide broad of guest speakers, and not just designers, but people who contribute to interiors, product and furniture, especially clients and contractors. We go on joint study trips. So last year in 2017-18, we went to Barcelona, 2018-19, Venice, and we recently got back from Berlin. And again, these trips are great. These trips are, again, broaden horizon. We've been really lucky with award-winning students. So last year at the Interior Educators exhibition at Free Range, where 30 other interior courses exhibit, so over sort of 350 students. Emily Sabine won an award. So she won a comprehensive approach to interior making. And that was really important for us, that our approach to making was acknowledged. And yeah, we were really chuffed about that award. And yeah, it was quite an emotional day. We also have a placement and professional practice year where our students get an opportunity to go and work in practice for a year. So again, that's tying in that whole idea of authentic learning. We have 2 Instagram accounts. Now these Instagram accounts are owned by the students, so they upload all the photographs. So it's a great way, a great opportunity to see what it's like to be on the course. So it'd be great for you to follow us and see what our students have been up to. It's a great way to sort of to capture our stories, work, interests and successes. Well, if you want to know more, you can email me at mgower@uca.ac.uk, and look forward to seeing you. Take care. Bye.